যে প্রশ্ন লিখে আসছে দেখি ঠিক আছে উপরটা রয়েছে वही पेन वही पेन now I'll proceed to the next question. I think you have already completed this problem. You have already completed this problem. 8, 10 and 14. So now miscellaneous exercise question number 5. Miscellaneous exercise question number 5. When I write, it may not visible. After writing, it will be visible. So have patience and try to listen. It is X question number 5. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 5. X plus a x x then x x plus a x x x x plus a. You see the book and write the question. That is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. It is given. I mean, it is an equation. It is an equation. To solve this equation means first you calculate the value, then equate each term to 0, then you get the value of x. Now apply your property. Replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Use it. Replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Now the step is, if you add this total, it will become 3x plus a. If you add the 3, same 3x plus a, 3x plus a. Other two rows no change. You do by your own, just to refer it. X plus a, x plus a equal to 0. You must write equal to 0. This one. Then next step, you take common from row 1. You take common 3x plus a. Take common 3x plus a. So next step is 3x plus a into this become 1 1 1 x plus a x plus a. Now equal to 0, as it is equation equal to 0, you must write equal to 0. Then next step, 3x plus a, replace c1 c2 by c2 minus c1, and c3 replaced by c3 minus c1. See now this one, c2 replaced by C2 minus C1, C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. Then our result is no change along first column. 1 x, first column no change. Second column 1 minus 1, it is 0. X plus a minus x, it is a. X minus x, it is 0. Then 1 minus 1, it is 0. X minus x, it is 0. X plus a minus x, it is a. Now equal to 0. Then expand and get your result. Expand either along row 1 or column 2 or column 3. It is better to expand along row 1. Expand along row 1. Now you will get 3x plus a into, if you expand along row 1, your result is, you see now, 1 into a square minus 0 equal 0. Now you can equate 3x plus a equal to 0 and x equal to minus a by 3. X equal to minus a by 3. It is coming a square. If a is non-zero, then a square is not 0. If a is not 0, then x equal to minus a by 3. This is your solution. X equal minus a by 3. Now you proceed to question number 10. Question number 10. Apply first row 2 replaced by row 1, row 3 replaced by row 1, row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Question number 10. Next to try question number 10. Next is question number 10. Miscellaneous exercise question number 10. Ten. 1, 1, 1. Then x plus y, x. Then y, x plus y. Our instruction is to evaluate, means simplify or find the value of this determinant. Apply row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. So our step is, in the previous problem I am putting imply sign, now it is equal sign. As we'll start from this till the end, equal sign. Next we'll proceed. Next step, row 1 remains same, so 1 x y same. Row 2 minus row 1, so it is 1 minus 1, it is 0. X plus y minus x, it is y minus y, it is 0. Then 1 minus 1, it is coming 0. X minus x, it is 0. X plus y minus y, it is coming x. Now next step, your next step is expand along C1. Expand along column 1. If you expand along column 1, then the result is 1 into y into x, that is xy minus 0. Other two terms are zeros, so not required to write. Other two terms 0 here 0. Expanding along C1. Now your answer is xy. This way you can solve now. I think most of you have completed. Subhanshu, sound is not clear. or board is not clear or both? Subhranshu, whether sound is not clear or board, you are writing buffering. When I'm writing, at that moment it is buffering. After writing, I think it is clear. Now, today you do all the problems of this chapter. The next period tomorrow, I will proceed to the new chapter. Tomorrow I will proceed to the new chapter. Your new chapter means continuity and defensibility chapter. That is chapter 5. Tomorrow I will proceed to chapter 5. So from your standard 11 chapter, limits and derivatives, you must do. Work out all the problems of limits from standard 11 book. Work out limit problems from your standard 11 book. All the problems done in standard 11 is in the syllabus of 12th class. So you should do today problems of this chapter, I mean determinants, and work out the limit problems from your standard 11 book. Tomorrow I will start that limit, continuity, defensibility. For continuity, limit is very, very essential. Without limit, we cannot proceed to continuity. That left hand limit, right hand limit, limit when x approaches to 0 or any other number, all are essential. Now, I will conclude my class today due to net in between, some problem arised. Now it's okay, I think. Today you complete it, tomorrow again we'll meet. Now I'm closing your class. It's already 10:55. I will not take time from other class. Your next class is biocomputer. So be ready for your bio and computer classes. Thank you all. Thank you all. For attendance, you write thank you there. For attendance, I want to know how many of you are present. I'm getting from 12 students. Thank you obtained from 12 students. Okay. Thank you all.
एंड करबे ना नोट एट करबे
हम एंड कर दे चलो
पापा এটা বহুত ক্লিয়ার আসছে এন্ড